Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AWS Learning. Today we are going to learn how we can resize an EBS volume and how we can resize same size inside your EC2 instance, right? In the last session we have learned how we can attach an EBS volume to your machine, that is 10 GB we have attached to your EC2 instance. So we have to resize the 10 GB to 15 GB now. Just select the volume that you wanted to resize. Just make sure the volume state should be in use while you are doing the resize. Okay. Under actions, modify the volume. Change the size from 10 GIB to 15 GIB. Yeah, as you are seeing the notification, you only can be increase the volume, you cannot decrease the volume. And just modify it. Just wait for it to change to 15 GB in use optimizing. So just wait for it to come to in use state, or this optimizing is completed. Okay, meanwhile, let's go ahead and log into your EC2 instance that we have attached this volume to. Open up the session and get the public IP of your machine. EC2-user @public IP of your machine. Authenticate with your SSH key that you have created. Open. Okay, now I'm able to log into my machine. Let me check df-h. Oh, you're still seeing 9 GB. That optimization is still in progress. Let us check the status of your volume resizing. This will take 2 to 3 minutes for optimization to complete. You can list the blocks lsblk. Let's check. Yes, our block is now showing 15 GB of data, right? How you can extend the file system? Sudo grow part, whichever the system that you want to extend. Sorry. Sudo grow part /dev /nvem1n1 space 1. Doesn't contain a recognized partition table. Fail to dump is if disk info. Okay, let us troubleshoot this. When you do a grow part and resize, that will actually automatically resize your volume. Unit is okay. We have actually created a file system directly on the device, no partitions. We just need to resize the file system. Let's do that. Sudo resize 2fs, sudo resize 2fs/dev/nve1n1. Okay, the resize is completed. We are not getting any error now. Just check df-h for this particular mount. See, now the 15 GB is available to use under /dev mount point. So this doesn't require actually a downtime of your machine. You can resize on the fly. The other thing that we are going to learn in EBS part is how to take a snapshot of your volume so that you can restore that whenever you required, or if you want to migrate that to any other availability zone to attach to the VM which is available in another availability zone, that is also possible. How you can do that? Just go to your AWS console now. And go to your volumes and select the volume which you want to take a snapshot. Actions, create a snapshot. And you can also add tags for the snapshot if required in future. Snapshot details, add a description for your snapshot. EBS snapshot. The names has to be very descriptive when it comes to your organization point of view. Just give a name and create a snapshot. You have successfully created the snapshot. So let's go to that snapshot. The snapshots will be available under Elastic Block Store concept. Under that, volumes and snapshot. You just go to your snapshot and click on that. Snapshot, actions. It is still pending. Just wait. This also will take 1 or 2 minutes to come from pending state to completed. The snapshot actually stores in AWS in S3. This will be managed by AWS itself. You don't have to select which S3 bucket it has to go. Okay, the snapshot status is completed. Then now you can create a volume from this snapshot. Actions, create a volume from the snapshot, and you have to choose which volume type that you require it with. And you can also increase the size of the snapshot. It is 15 GB right now. While creating an actual volume, you can increase that, but you cannot decrease that. See, you're getting, or else you can take whatever the size available, but you cannot decrease that. You can change IOPS throughput. The main thing is you can change an availability zone where this volume has to be created, so that you can attach this volume with the machine which is available in East US 1B, right? Directly, if you create a volume in East US 1A, you cannot attach that to the machine which is available in East US 1B. So these are availability zone specific. If you want to attach a volume to EC2 instance, that volume should be available in the same availability zone where your EC2 instance is running. Just go ahead and create a volume. If you go to volumes, you can see one volume is created in with the snapshot in East US 1B availability zone. This is available. You can attach that to your EC2 instances.